What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andy and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that we are nearing the crucial point for SOFI, and definitely in the upcoming several days, several sessions, we will see a huge movement of this asset. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you how we can benefit from this price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that this asset formed a horizontal channel. It is the most undecisive pattern that you can even find. And I have to say that two crucial points of this channel are quite obvious. First of all, it is the range of resistance, the upper border of this channel. And second one is the range of support, the lower border of this channel. And my main assumption was that we should see the price action above the range of resistance or below the range of support. But my main assumption was that in general we should land somewhere lower, and probably we might hit even $6.5 mark, this golden pocket range, in order to see the more clear picture of the trend reversal. And I made this assumption because we completed 5-wave structure from this bottom of $4.45 to this top of $10.15, and for now we are in consolidation phase, and technically I still stand on my position that we should see the lower price action, but everything from the technical standpoint I will show you in just several minutes. So, and let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you this article that was published on July 25th on Seeking Alpha, and it is titled SOFI, 1 week until the jig is up. And let me quote to the summary. SOFI Technologies has executed a high level since coming to the public market. The digital bank has seen significant growth, with membership rising from 2.2 million to 5.6 million, and a surge in net interest income benefiting from the federal funds rate increase. SOFI student loan business hit during the pandemic is expected to rebound following the Supreme Court's decision to resume student loan payments, offering a potential of $200 billion opportunity. And definitely in the long-term perspective, SOFI is a very lucrative company, and if you want to invest in it, I think you can accumulate your position by laddering your buys down, and probably you can even do it incrementally in order to improve your position. But if you want to catch the next movement and benefit from this price action, you definitely have to know much more than just a bigger picture of this asset. So let me show you another article. We are on Investor Place, and this article was published just 12 hours ago, and it says, wait for SOFI stock to fall 40% before you buy. SOFI stock investors should expect diminishing returns from student loan news. And the key bullets of this article are following. CEO acknowledged that the student loan forgiveness developments aren't very impactful for his company. Furthermore, analysts have mixed opinions about SOFI Technologies, and investors shouldn't load up on SOFI stock at its current share price. And it is quite interesting article. I will put the links on all the articles in the description below. This is for your convenience, and you can read these articles by yourself and make your own conclusion. But in general, I have to say that I completely agree with this bullet point. Analysts have mixed opinions about SOFI Technologies, and definitely they have mixed opinions in the short-term perspective. Let me show you on this website. We are on marketbeat.com. And here you can see the price targets that were set by major analytic firms, and the most recent one, the most recent forecast was made on July 24th by Stephens, and they made the first coverage, initiated coverage of this stock. They set a price target at $7 price point, and in general I have to say that the consensus analyst price target is $7.73, which implies about 17.11% of downside potential. So it is what it is. We have to keep in mind every opinion on the market in order to make your own conclusion. And I have to say that if we take a look on the list of institutional investors, and we are on fintel.io, you can see that during the last 13F report session, we can see that we have more bearish sentiment on the market, and definitely we can see some new companies that added their position with SOFI, but as you can see, they bought only 60 shares and their position is extremely low. And in general, if you take a look even on these three filings, it is just a bearish setup. They bought the Clear Harbor Asset Management LLC, bought shares of SOFI, and their position is about $1,000. But they have a put calls, and this position is $83,000. Definitely, it is more bearish than bullish, and we also have a lot of filings of the companies that closed their position. And during this movement to the upside, from the mid-May till, let me show you right here, till mid-June, during 1 month, it gained about, from its lowest point to its highest point, about 127%. And definitely right after that, this asset should cool down a little bit. And then with the good fundamentals, it should go much higher to break all its previous resistances. And the main catalyst for it will be definitely the resolution of the student loan moratorium, and definitely it will benefit a lot. And till this happens, we have to be very cautious, and especially let me pay your attention on this small icon. This Monday, on July 31st, they will disclose their earnings report. And depending on the results of their earnings report, and especially depending on their forecast for upcoming quarters, we might see a huge spike in its price, a huge volatility basically on this asset. So, and let me show you this. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. Right here, as you can see, we broke this range of resistance, but we didn't break this previous swing high. This means technically we are still in consolidation phase, and we might have our B wave even right here. But everything will be more clear in upcoming several sessions. And I have to say that for now, as you can see, this asset again found a support, and the same range that was previously a resistance becomes a support, and the range of resistance becomes this previous swing high. And we are in a quite tight range. And definitely nobody knows how the earnings report will affect the price of SOFI. We can only assume that we might see a volatility, but the direction is not so obvious. In my opinion, I think we still have more chances to hit lower price target. But everything on the market is a game of probabilities. And definitely, everybody should first of all take a closer look on the risk management regarding this asset. But if you are quite experienced trader, you can use some advanced option strategies like straddle or strangle. And as you can see, it will benefit if the asset goes in any direction. But if it is quite stable, definitely you can lose your money. And if you use this strategy right here with a range of support at roughly 9.35 and range of resistance of 10.13, probably next week you will have a huge upside potential regarding its price action. But for now, I still stand on my position that most likely we should see lower price targets, and we might hit again the golden pocket range. It is the range of roughly $6.6 or $6.5 mark. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm